Today we have an incredibly exciting topic to explore: artificial intelligence, or AI. It's no secret that AI has been making waves across various industries and transforming the way we live, work, and interact with technology. In this video, we're taking a closer look at how it's revolutionizing our world. So, let's dive right in. Artificial intelligence, once considered the stuff of science fiction, is now an integral part of our everyday lives. From personalized recommendation on streaming platforms to cutting-edge medical diagnostics, AI quietly reshaping the world around us. But what exactly is AI, and how does it work? Let's find out. To truly grip how AI is revolutionizing our world, we first need to understand its basic. At its core, AI refers to the simulation of human intelligence in machines. It involves creating algorithms and systems that can process vast amounts of data, learn from it, and make intelligent decisions without explicit human programming. Now that we have a background of AI, let's explore some of the real-world applications that are changing the game. One such field is healthcare. AI-powered can analyze medical images, predict disease outcome, and even assist in drug discovery, leading to more accurate diagnoses and improved treatment. AI also a crucial role in sectors like finance, transportation, education, and entertainment. With AI increasing capabilities, there's a growing concern about its impact on the job market. Some fear that AI will replace human workers, leading to widespread unemployment. However, experts believe that AI will mostly enhance human capabilities, creating new opportunities and job roles. With some fear of AI replace human workers, there's also a fear of ethical surrounding its usage. From data privacy concern to potential biases in AI decision-making, there are several important discussions that need to have to ensure responsible use of AI. We'll see how AI play out and if robots would take over the world. For now, we hope you found this exploration insightful and informative. If you did, please give this video a like, and if haven't already, please be sure to subscribe for more exciting content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.